Hi everyone, this is Katie here. Today is November 28th, 2025, Friday, last trading day of the week here. Let's take a look at VIX, minus 1.28%. Market is generally bullish here. So, significant moves I would observe is SoFi plus 2.84%, and then Poyet plus 3.31% here. So, the rest are all quite neutral, I would say. Hence, I'll just monitor and see what trades to be placed. So in lieu of this observation, let's take a look at the trades that have been placed before making this video. So, well, for CRM, I bought back the $270 call at expiring December 19 and roll it 1 week later at a lower strike price at 265 December 26. Got a credit about 83 cents here. Why I do so? Because my break-even price for CRM is 265. And it's quite, the current market price is about 232,233. So there's still about $30 difference from the break-even price. Hence, I decided to sell at the break-even price to have a more efficient theta decay here. Although next week is the earnings of CRM, let's see whether CRM will revert back to its all-time high above 265, or you would be still within the range of 230 to 265. Next, Poyet has a big gain here. So at the money, I decided to roll my options position at expiring December 19, $5 strike price to January 9, $5 strike price here. All in all, it's about 0.11 cents credit here. So that's all the trades being placed for today. And let's see next week, at the beginning of December, how the market is going to fare and whether are we going to see a bullish trend towards the end of the year. So that's all for today. Remember to like this YouTube video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and have a great day, everyone. Signing off here.